Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sales funnel step by step. First, focus on attracting your ideal audience. Understand their specific needs and challenges. Then, create compelling content like blog posts or social media updates that offer solutions. Distribute this content across platforms where your potential customers spend their time, such as social media or search engines, to capture their initial attention. Once you have their attention, the next step is to engage and nurture these leads. Offer more in-depth information, perhaps through email sequences or detailed product pages, that directly addresses their specific questions. Building trust is crucial, so maintain consistent, helpful communication. Consider offering free resources, such as a downloadable guide or a complimentary webinar, to further deepen their interest and demonstrate your expertise. Now, it is time to guide your engaged leads toward making a purchase. Clearly present your product or service with compelling calls to action, making it obvious what you want them to do next. Consider offering incentives, like a 10% discount or a special bonus, to encourage immediate decisions. Ensure the purchasing process is straightforward and user-friendly, removing any potential barriers to conversion. The sales funnel does not end with a purchase. Retaining customers is vital for long-term success. Provide excellent post-purchase support to ensure customer satisfaction and build loyalty. Encourage repeat business by offering exclusive deals or early access to new products. Actively seek feedback to continuously improve your offerings and foster a community of loyal advocates, turning one-time buyers into lifelong customers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.